Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about how to graph a straight line. We are in section 1B in your book, and we're going to start with example 7. The first one just asks us to graph by hand these two equations. So I'll write those right here. All right. So it's just kind of a review. I think you guys have done this before, but this is going to be the slope or the gradient, and this is the y-intercept. And so over here, we draw an axis, and we start at the y-intercept. So we go up 2, draw a dot on the y-axis. I don't know why that popped up. And then we use the slope, which is rise over run. So we rise -1, so we come down to here. And then we run 3, 1, 2, 3. So we go 1, 2, 3. And we draw a second dot right there. You don't need to, it's probably best not to draw those, but I just wanted to show you guys how I moved on there, just in case you were confused. And then you connect those dots. Maybe you do it better than I do. Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. That's not the best line, but you connect those dots, and that's the answer to that one. Now, unfortunately, this is in standard form, and you can't graph directly from that unless you use like an intercept rule. So I'm trying to think how we want to do this. Let's use that just so you can see it. So one way you could do it, you could solve for y and then do it the same way we did it above, because it would be in slope-intercept form like it is right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to first plug in x equals 0. And so I'm going to say 2 times 0 minus 4y equals 12. Simplify that. That becomes -4y equals 12. Divide by -4, and y equals -3. So I'm going to come over here on my axes, and the y-intercept is -3. Then I do the same thing when y equals 0. Plug in 0 right here, so I get 2x minus 4 times 0 equals 12. That cancels. 2x, we divide by 2, and so x equals 6. And so the x-intercept, 4, 5, 6. And then we can just connect those dots. Okay, so that was example 7, and that's all there is in this section. So calculator.